In today's video, I am going to show you how to add recovery email and recovery phone number in your Google account. My name is Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. Let's jump into the video.
Hello guys, I am on my phone screen. Here first you have to open your Gmail app. You have to click on the top right icon. You have to click on your Google account. Here dashboard will appear. Scroll right and click on the security tab. Scroll down and click on recovery phone. Click on it. Here you have to verify that is you. I will verify myself with my fingerprint. You can add your PIN to do so. After verifying, this page will appear. Here you are seeing a button of add recovery phone. Click on it. Here you have to choose your country and then enter your number. After adding number, click on the next and click on the get code. After this, Google will send you a code on your mobile phone. You have to enter it and recovery phone number will be added to your account. For adding recovery email, come on the same security tab, click on the recovery email, add a recovery email, click on the next. Then Google will send you a verification code. You have to enter this code and click on the verify button. Your recovery email address will be added to your Google account.
For adding phone number, Google will send you a code on your phone number, and for email address, Google will send you an email on your email address. I have not shown the process because I want to hide my details. If you have any problem, you can comment down. If video helps you, click on the like button. It's me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.